Understanding Indian Railways Signalling Systems and Traffic Management. Indian Railways Signalling Systems and Traffic Management. 1. Introduction. The Indian Railways network is one of the largest in the world, with over 70,000 kilometers of track and thousands of trains running daily. An efficient signaling system is crucial for safe and smooth operation of these trains. 2. History of signaling. The first railway line in India was opened in 1853 between Bombay and Thane. Initially, signals were used to warn drivers about approaching trains or dangers on the track. Over time, the signaling system has evolved significantly. 3. Types of signals. There are several types of signals used by Indian Railways, including visual, color-coded signals, sound signals, and automatic warning systems. 4. Visual signals. These are color-coded lights that indicate to drivers whether a section is clear or occupied. They can be seen from far away and are effective in daylight conditions. 5. Sound signals. Sound signals produce an audible alarm to warn drivers of approaching trains or dangers on the track. They are used when visual signals may not be visible due to weather conditions or obstructions. 6. Automatic warning systems. AWS. These systems provide a warning to the driver through an electronic device in case of an impending collision or danger. 7. Electronic interlocking. EIL. EIL is a modern signaling system that uses computer-based logic to control train movements and ensure safe operation. 8. Block system. The block system divides the railway track into sections, each called a block, to regulate traffic flow and prevent collisions. 9. Sectional speed restrictions. Trains are allowed to travel at different speeds depending on the type of track and conditions. This is enforced through speed restrictions displayed at signaling points. 10. Automatic Train Protection. ATP. ATP is an advanced system that uses GPS and computer-based logic to monitor train movements and prevent overspeeding or collisions. 11. Interlocking. Interlocking refers to the mechanism by which signals are connected to ensure safe operation of trains through a specific section. 12. Signaling system types. Indian Railways has multiple signaling systems in use, including conventional semaphore signals, color light signals, and electronic interlocking systems. 13. Semaphore signals. These were used historically but have largely been replaced by more modern systems due to their limitations. 14. Color light signals. These are widely used on Indian Railways for their reliability and effectiveness in various weather conditions. 15. Electronic signaling systems. Modern electronic signaling systems use advanced technology, such as computer-based logic and GPS, for efficient operation. 16. Communication-based train control. CBTC. This is a modern system that uses wireless communication to control train movements and ensure safe operation. 17. Wayside electronics systems. WES. WES are electronic devices installed at signaling points for monitoring and controlling train traffic. 18. Train running system. This includes all the mechanisms by which trains move, from preparation to dispatch, ensuring they reach their destinations safely and on schedule. 19. Centralized Traffic Control, CTC. CTC is a system used in major terminals where staff monitor and control train movements centrally. 20. Railway staff. Railway staff play a crucial role in the smooth operation of Indian railways, including signaling personnel who ensure safe passage of trains. 21. Signaling standards. The Indian Railways follows international standards for signaling systems to ensure interoperability with other networks. 22. Innovations and upgrades. Regular innovation and upgrades are undertaken by Indian Railways to improve the efficiency and safety of its signaling system. 23. Challenges faced. Despite advancements, challenges such as aging infrastructure, limited resources, and complex operations remain in managing Indian Railways signaling systems effectively. 24. Safety measures. Indian Railways has implemented various safety measures to prevent accidents caused by human error or technical failure, including mandatory driver training programs. 25. Role of technology. The integration of technology with traditional methods is crucial for efficient management and maintenance of the vast railway network in India. 26. Future developments. With ongoing investments in technology, Indian Railways aims to establish one of the most advanced signaling systems globally. 27. Collaborations and partnerships. Collaborative efforts between government agencies, industry experts, and academia are essential for enhancing the capabilities of Indian Railways signaling system. 28. Safety and security measures. Beyond signaling, various security measures such as surveillance systems, fencing, and protective barriers are employed to prevent unauthorized access or accidents. 29. Public awareness and education. Educating passengers about basic safety rules and procedures enhances overall railway safety. Thanks for watching.